Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is triangle, and in that class we discuss about the BPT theorem, means basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, and we take and solve some important question based on Thales theorem of your NCERT exercise. Now in today's class we take and discuss the new topic of that chapter, which is what your new topic is criteria for similarity of triangles. Criteria for similarity of triangle of triangles. Starting the chapter, we already discussed about the concept of similar. What is the concept of similarity of the triangle? Dear student, you know that very well कि two triangles are said to be similar if they have same shape but different in size. Suppose that had triangle P ABC and PQR are similar. They are similar to each other. Okay, if two triangles are similar to each other, if and only if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. You know that very well. It means that if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then must be equal angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Means that their corresponding angles are equal as well as their corresponding sides are proportional. Means AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and AC upon PR. So these are two very important criteria for congruency of triangles. Okay, so this is the very important concept. Now we take and discuss some important theorems related to the criteria of similarities of triangles. Let's see, dear friends. Before discussing the criteria for similarities of a triangle, first of all we discuss about the what is the concept of equiangular triangle. First of all we discuss about the equiangular triangle. What is the concept of equiangular triangles? Okay, two triangles, dear friends, two triangles are said to be equiangular. Two triangles are said to be equiangular if their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal. So this is the concept of equiangular triangles. Okay, so two triangles are said to be equiangular if and only if their corresponding angles are equal. In other words, if their corresponding angles, if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then that triangles are said to be equiangular. This is the concept of equiangular triangles. Now we are going to discuss and prove some important theorems related to similarities of the triangles. Let's see. We discuss about the similarities of the triangle. So first of all we take the theorem. First one is what? AA similarity criterion. If two triangles are equiangular, theorem first, this is angle AAA similarity criterion. similarity criterion. Okay, and according to that theorem, if two triangles are equiangular, if two triangles are equiangular, if two triangles are equiangular, then they are similar, then they are similar. This is a very important theorem related to the topic uh, similarity of two triangles criterion. Okay, now in that criteria, here this is the angle means AAA criteria. According to that, here we have to show that if two triangles are equiangulars, just I discussed about the concept of equiangular, two triangles are said to be equiangular if and only if their corresponding angles are equal. So here we have two triangles which are equiangular, then we have to show that they are similar to each other. So now let's see. So for similarity of a triangles, there are two important criteria for that. First one, their corresponding angles are equal, as well as their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. If we have to show that their corresponding sides are proportion, then we can say that the given triangles are similar to each other. So according to that concept, we prove that theorem. So first of all, let's see. First of all, we take as two triangles which are equiangular, means angle A is equal to, now let's see. First of all, we write given. In given, we draw two triangles which are equiangular. So first of all, we draw two triangles. Suppose we first triangle ABC. Second one is what? DEF. So in given, we write two triangles ABC and DEF, in which these are equiangular, means their corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D, okay, comma, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Angle C is equal to angle F. Okay. Now we write to prove. Dear student, we have to show that what? We have to show that they are similar to each other. Means triangle ABC similar to, this is the symbol of similar. Okay. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So we have to show that that these triangles are similar to each other, means triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Now look, now we have to, dear students, first of all, if we have to show that now we write no any constructions are required in that theorem, so we write as proof. So dear students, two triangles of we know that two triangles are similar to each other if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. If we have to show that their corresponding sides are proportional, then we can say that both are similar to each other. So we must so for similarity of this triangle, for similarity of these two triangles, these two triangles, for similarity of these two triangles, we have to show that have to show that ki their corresponding sides are proportion, means AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Then we can say that they are similar to each other because of there is already here given their corresponding angles are equal. If we prove that, so we can say that these are similar to each other. Now let us consider side AB is equal to side D. Thus in triangle ABC, in triangles ABC and DEF, let's see angle A is equal to angle D, which is given. Angle A is equal to angle D. This is what given. AB is equal to DE. We have to suppose that, okay, and angle B is equal to angle E. This is also given. Thus by angle side angle congruence rule, angle side angle congruence criteria. Thus by angle side angle criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So in this way, student, we have to show that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Thus by CPCT, let's see. Thus by CPCT means what? Corresponding part of congruent triangle must be equal to each other. So thus by CPCT AB is equal to DE. Okay, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. Or from there we can write AB upon D is equal to 1, comma BC upon EF is equal to 1, and AC upon DF is equal to 1. So from these relations, each are equal to 1. So we have to write AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Hence, in this way, we have to show that AB upon DE, BC upon EF, AC upon DF, as well as their corresponding angles, and as well angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Thus, hence, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Their corresponding sides are proportional and their corresponding angles are equal. Thus we can say that both the triangles are similar to each other, hence proved. Okay, thus dear student, in this way we can prove so many important theorems based on criterion of similarities of triangles. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions, theorems. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. So this is the angle similarities. If two triangles are equiangulars, then they are also similar to each other. If they are similar to each other, then there are two conditions are there: corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, dear students, now dear students, we take and discuss some other important criterion of congruence, similarities, criterion of similarities. Okay, let's see. Now, this is the very important criterion of similarities, which is angle similarity. Now, we have to discuss about the SSS similarity. Let's see. Now, we are discuss about the next theorem, which is also very important, and this is also the NCERT theorem, which is SSS, side similarity criterion. Similarity criterion. Side means SSS similarity criterion. According to that theorem, dear students, if the corresponding sides of if the corresponding sides of two triangles, corresponding side of two triangles, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional are proportional okay, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then they are similar. Then they are similar. Okay, this is your similarity criterion. This is called side means SSS similarity criterion. According to that criterion, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then they are similar. So first of all, we take two triangles ABC and DEF. Let's see. Let us take two triangles ABC and DEF. So in given, first of all we write two triangles ABC and triangle DEF, in which what is the given, their corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, means AB upon DE is given. AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. This is given in our theorem. Okay. Now we write to prove. We have to show that. What we show that? We have to show that both triangles similar to each other. Means triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We have to show it. Okay. Now we have to show that triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So if we have to show that their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, if we have to show that their corresponding angles are equal, then we can say that are similar to each other. Okay, so because of this is very important question. Now we will do some construction in that theorem. Now we have to do some construction in that theorem. Now if construction is, let us take P and Q be 2 points on DE and DF. Okay, 2 point DF respective such that now and join PQ and join PQ. So let us consider P and Q are 2 points on DE and DF respectively, such that BC is equal to PQ or PQ is equal to BC, and you can write such that DP is equal to AB. Okay, such that DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC and DQ is equal to AC and join PQ. Okay, now let's see its proof. Now we have to prove it. This is a very important theorem. Okay, now let's see. So in proving, so first of all we have AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. We have AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. AC upon DF. So we can write, what I can write, we take AB as DP, so we can write DP upon DE is equal to AC take as DQ, to DQ upon DF. Okay, DP upon DF. Thus by Thales theorem, let's see, dP upon dE is equal to dQ upon dF. Then by Thales theorem we can say that PQ parallel to EF. That is, then by Thales theorem we can write PQ is parallel to EF. PQ is parallel to EF. Okay, if PQ parallel to EF, suppose that, dear students, if PQ parallel to EF, then by which property, by and take ED as a transversal, then we can say that the corresponding angles are equal. So in this way we can say that if PQ parallel to that, so angle DPQ is equal to angle E, and angle DQP is equal to angle F. But because of these are the corresponding angles, DQP is equal to angle F. These are the very important concept. Okay, thus in triangle DPQ and DEF, now let's see. Thus dear friends, in triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, what we have? We have angle DPQ is equal to angle E, and angle DQP is equal to angle F. Thus by angle similarity, by AA similarity, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. If these are similar to each other, then we have this corresponding sides are proportion, means DP upon DE is equal to PQ upon EF. PQ upon EF means dP upon D is equal to dPQ upon PQ upon EF, right? dP upon PQ upon EF. Now we know that dP is equal to what? AB. So here we write AB upon DE, AB upon DE. Okay, AB upon DE is equal to what? PQ upon EF. PQ upon EF, right, as it is. Okay, but we know that AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. BC upon EF, na? Since let's see, which is already given, his sides are proportion. Let's see. But we know that, dear student, but we know that AB upon DE, D is equal to BC upon EF. BC upon, thus from there, these are same, so we can write PQ upon EF is equal to BC upon EF. So EF cancel to each other, so we can write as PQ is equal to BC. Thus in this way we have to show that PQ is equal to BC. Thus in triangles ABC, thus in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, we have all sides are equal. AB is equal to DP, AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ, and BC is equal to what? PQ. We have to show it. Thus by SSS criterion, thus triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. We take equation number 1. We already a similarity, we have to show DPQ for DF. We take equation number 1, and this is we take equation number 2. Thus, and DPQ is similar to DEF. So from 1 and 2, dear students, from 1 and 2 we have to show that ki triangle ABC is similar to correspondence DPQ. ABC, we have ABC is similar congruent to ABC is congruent to DPQ, and triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF, okay. Thus from these two relation we can say that ki triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, hence proved. Okay, so thus dear friends, these are the very important theorem, similarity criterion based on SSS criterion. So please dear friends, we in today's class we discuss about two most important criterion. First one is what? Angle means AAA criterion. Second one is what? Side SSS criterion. So in this way, in today's class we discuss two very important criterion similarities. Okay, so first of all you revise all the important criterion which we discussed in that class, and then practices each and every theorem of your NCERT exercise. Now dear students, okay, these are the very important criteria. Thus dear students, in next class we take and discuss some other important criteria related to similarities. Okay, so first of all you revise and do more and more practices of that type of cretin. Okay, now thanks to all.